Most people get this wrong when choosing a high-interest savings account in Canada. They see a high rate, open the account, and later realize they're earning way less than expected. Here's the truth no one tells you. That high interest you see is often temporary, conditional, or limited. And if you don't understand how it works, you could be leaving money on the table every single month. In this video, you'll discover the 5 best high-interest savings accounts in Canada for 2026, how to actually earn the full interest, and the types of accounts you should avoid completely. Let's start immediately with the most important concept. In Canada, most high-interest savings accounts offer either a base rate, a promotional rate, or a combination of both. The promotional rate is what grabs your attention. But here's the problem. It usually lasts only a few months. This is where most people fail. They open an account for the high rate, and once it drops, they don't notice. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value of a savings account comes from consistent returns over time, not just short-term promotions. So let's go through the best options that actually deliver value. First, EQ Bank Savings Plus account. This is one of the most popular high-interest savings accounts in Canada. It offers a strong everyday interest rate without complicated conditions. Let's say Alex deposits his savings here. He earns interest consistently without worrying about monthly requirements. Now here's the key advantage. No need to track conditions or transactions. But here's the catch. It may not always have the absolute highest promotional rate. Now, let's move to the second account. Tangerina Savings Account. This account is well known for its promotional interest rates. Now here's where it gets interesting. New customers often get higher rates for the first few months. But here's the problem. After the promotional period ends, the rate drops significantly. This is where many people lose out. Now here's a smart move. Use promotional accounts strategically, and move your money when the rate drops. Now let's move to the third account. Simplii Financial High-Interest Savings Account. This account also offers promotional rates and no monthly fees. Now here's the key point. It's easy to use and backed by a major financial institution. But again, the promotional rate is temporary. Now let's move to the fourth account. Neo Savings Account. This is a newer option offering competitive rates and cashback features. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some accounts combine interest with cashback rewards. But here's the problem. You need to understand how those rewards actually work. Now let's move to the fifth account. Motive Financial Savvy Savings Account. This account offers one of the higher everyday interest rates. Now here's the key advantage. You don't need to rely on promotions to earn good returns. Now, here's the problem. Even with these good accounts, many people still don't maximize their savings. Let's fix that. First, understand the type of interest. Is it a base rate or a promotional rate? This determines how long you'll earn that rate. Second, track your interest rate. Set reminders to check your account every few months. Now here's a smart tip. If your rate drops, consider moving your money to a better account. Now let's talk about the accounts you should avoid. This is important. Some traditional bank savings accounts offer very low interest rates. We're talking about rates close to zero. Now here's the problem. Many people keep their savings in these accounts for years. They think their money is growing, but it's barely increasing. This is where most people lose money without realizing it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even a small difference in interest rate can make a big difference over time. Now let's take a quick example. Jake keeps $10,000 in a low-interest account, earning almost nothing. Alex keeps the same amount in a high-interest account, earning a competitive rate. Over time, Alex earns significantly more. Same money, different results. Now let's talk about safety. Most Canadian savings accounts are protected by deposit insurance up to certain limits. Now here's the key point. Your money is generally safe, as long as you stay within insured limits. Now let's talk about taxes. Interest earned is taxable income. Now here's where most people get confused. They forget to account for taxes when calculating returns. Now let's talk about accessibility. Some accounts allow easy transfers and withdrawals. Others may have restrictions. Now here's a smart move. Choose an account that balances interest with accessibility. Now let's talk about automation. Setting up automatic transfers can help you save consistently. Now here's the key takeaway. Saving regularly is just as important as earning interest. Now let's address a common question. Should you have multiple savings accounts? In some cases, yes. You can use one for everyday savings and another for higher interest or promotions. Now here's where it gets interesting. This strategy can help you maximize returns while keeping flexibility. Now let's quickly summarize everything. Top high-interest savings accounts in Canada include EQ Bank, Tangerine, Simply I, Neo, and Motive Financial. Understand the difference between base and promotional rates. Avoid accounts with very low interest. Track your rates and move your money when needed. Use automation to build consistent savings. If you follow these steps, you can maximize your savings in 2026. Now you're not guessing anymore. You know exactly where to put your money and what to avoid. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want help choosing the best account for your situation, drop a comment below. I'll guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.